How to clear your Wi-Fi router history. In today's video, we'll be learning how to clear the history on your Wi-Fi router to protect your privacy and improve performance. First things first, open your web browser and simply in the address bar type your router's IP address. Common router IP addresses are 192.168.0.1 or 192.168.1.0.1. You can simply find the router's IP address on a sticker located on the back or bottom of the device. If you cannot load it in your phone, you can simply do that in your PC as well. In PC, simply enter your IP address. Now here, simply enter your admin username and password to log in. If you haven't changed the default credential, this should also be listed on the router, usually something like admin or password. Now if you don't have your credential, you may need to reset your router to factory settings, which will remove any custom settings. Now that you're logged in, look for a status tab at the top. Now simply tap on system log or administration log. This will open your router's new log on a system page. Simply click on clear log, and that's how you can clear the history on your Wi-Fi router.